This is documenting Mally's first bird. Congratulations, Mally. What'd you get? Got feathers everywhere, baby. What'd you do? Did you get birdie? Did you get a bird? That's Mally got a bird, huh?
Oh, look, he was bringing it into the house.
God, there's blood
here.
everywhere.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, my goodness. Mally, let's see your birdie. Yeah, Mally got a bird. You got a bird.
All right.
Let's see the blood trail. There's the, oh, nice. That's a nice blood trail.
Is he going to leave it there now?
Mally. Hey. Mally. What'd you get, Mally? You know that dove almost got it yesterday. Yeah, that's good. Kitty cat got a bird. Oh my God, there's blood all over the ground. There's feathers.
Don't forget to show his dead lizard over here, too. That was his first hunting.
Mally. Here, put some feathers in your mouth. There you go. Got the taste of blood.
Here comes the baby.
Yes, sir. What do you think, Pebbles? Mally's first bird. Good, Mally. Yes, Mally got a bird, huh? Come on, Pumpkin. Everybody take a look. Watch out for the blood. There's blood everywhere.
He's like, how did he get that? I've been trying that for 10 years.
Yep. What do you think? Huh? What do you think, Pumpkin?
Oh, he is so eating that.
Oh, Mally. That looks so good, buddy. Tasty, huh? What you eating, the guts?
Oh.
Mmm. Yeah. That's some good stuff, huh?
Oh.
Go ahead, Pumpkin. Take a look. Yep, bird feathers everywhere. Yep. Watch out for the blood. You know, for somebody who won't eat any human food. All right, congratulations.